Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. This video about kitchen water heater or any other water heater, like say I have a situation here, I have a kitchen outside, I have a extra kitchen, but it's totally disconnected from house. I have only cold water available, not hot water. So how you can get hot water easily? You can install one of the heater like that. So in this video, we will follow step by step. We will install this heater, and we will also a little bit talk about it, what kind of a heater, how much it's gonna cost. Now let's start. So water heater came in already. I'm gonna open box. First we're gonna take a look, then we will talk about all the specification for this heater. So it just came in right now. We're gonna open, see if everything included. Actually, in my case, I'm going to replace, so I don't need anything. I have everything. So this is whatever it look like. We have an instruction manual. You have a wall mounting bracket, pressure relief valve splitter, so you can install actually pressure relief valve. It comes with one hose, one drain for pressure relief. You get a water heater. It's really light, and that's all. You don't have anything else. Just open. One thing it tells you here, so you have to install like that. You don't want to install upside down, because sometimes you just look for the hoses, but it has to have installed upside down, so water gonna stay inside and it's gonna heat up. So basically this one gonna fill up with water, whatever, I'm gonna read how many, 3 or 4 gallons. It's gonna heat up. Once you turn the water on, fresh water gonna go in, the hot water gonna come out. So label, model SY8, voltage 120, power 1500 watt, thermal peak 149 Fahrenheit, rated current 12.5, 50 hertz. I don't know why it's rated frequency 50 hertz, because we in United States it's 60, and this one is capacity 2.3 gallon. So that's all the schematic inside. If you want to read, that's the product certification. It comes with the pre-wire. Not really heavy, it's just maybe like 1 or 2 pound. That's the bracket, and this one is gonna go to the wall, and once we're gonna put it in the wall, it's gonna be hang like that. We're just gonna hang. Now let's start installation. That's the temperature set part, like how high temperature you want or how low. That's when it's satisfied, that's when it's heating. And behind this cover, there's a little screw. If you take this cover off, there's also reset button, just in case pressure go too high and you're gonna trip or something, you can reset. And all the electrical behind this cover, just in case. From here, cold water goes in, hot water comes out. Now I'm gonna take you in my kitchen where I'm gonna install, so you will a little bit understand. So this one is my outdoor kitchen sink where I'm going to install, because I don't have any hot water close to it. I don't wanna run a pipe or something, so I just ran only cold water, and I'm gonna use this heater to have hot water here to wash our utensils. Inside, if you see, that's the PVC pipe. I have a carry only cold water. And this is the valve, shutdown valve. You can shut down from here. PVC pipe comes over here, from here splitter. This cold water go to the one side of the faucet. This cold water gonna go to the heater, to the cold side. And there's another kitchen faucet. This one gonna carry the hot. You can see also color. And the mounting bracket was already there. I have installed it before, so I'm just replacing. First, we're gonna put some Teflon tape here. Teflon tape goes clockwise. At the front top edge, we're gonna put light, and the behind is gonna be heavy. Couple turn, not too much. Same thing here. That's it. We have a Teflon tape already. Cold water, I'm gonna install a hose. The other one is already there. I no need to because the other one we're gonna get from the faucet. So we're gonna just lightly tight, not too much. Be careful. If you tight too much, now you're gonna break from the bottom. All right, it will be enough. If you need it, I can tie it a little bit more later, but I'm gonna do, that's it. Let's hang inside, then the rest of our pipe. So now we have installed the cold water over here. That's the hose we're gonna put over here. It's gonna go feed water to the water heater. I have a Teflon tape already before. We're gonna just hand tie right now, and then later. And this one, feeding to the faucet. It's gonna go here, like to the red hot water, and also this one you can see have a red color. So now we're gonna just tight both, and then we're gonna turn the water on. First we will check for anything leak. Once we're ready, we're gonna plug in. Then we're gonna dial this temperature switch to desired temperature. Okay, let's turn the water on, see if there's any leak first. There's 2.3 gallon water here, so as soon as you turn the water on, I can see there's the water flows and sound. I believe this tank getting filled. So right now it got slow. I'm gonna turn all the way. I'm gonna still wait. If there is any water leak, I will check around here, wherever all the connections. No water leak so far right now. Now time to plug in. I have a 120 volt plug already. And you can see it says insulation. I believe it start heating up, or it's just a happy temperature is all the way heat. We're gonna take this one off. You read all the instructions. So basically they say the water heater need to be filled with water before you turn on. So I have a filled up already. We turned on, but the temperature set point is too low right now. I'm gonna turn the water. We're gonna open this faucet so we can release some air so it's completely filled. Now I'm sure it's completely filled. We can dial this switch and it's supposed to say heating. Here we go. So now it started heating. I'm gonna turn the water off. We're gonna wait for a couple of minutes and see if this water heater working really good. I also decided to clean underneath and just to be check water leak for a couple of days, maybe 1 or 2 days. After that, I don't need to worry about underneath. Water heater is working. It's already like 3-4 minutes. And if I turn the water on, I don't have any temperature reader, but I can feel it's warm right now. It's not really hot, but it's warm. I also haven't set to high temperature. So hopefully this water heater gonna last longer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.